Be the professional you were hired to be. Take the high ground. It's that simple. Welcome to Legal Marketing Minutes, where I share short bursts of current marketing news and advice. I'm your host, Nancy Myrland. If we haven't met, I'm a marketing, business development, content, social and digital media speaker, trainer, and advisor for lawyers and legal marketers in mid to large size law firms. Your time is valuable, so let's get started, okay? Well, welcome to client service tip number 4 out of 5. We're getting there. Number 1 was called Just Ask. Number 2 was Be Proactive. And number 3 was titled Create a Plan for Action. And today, this client service tip number 4 is about taking the high ground. And as my good friend Jonathan Fitzgerald of Equinox Partners said during one of his presentations a few years ago at the LMA annual conference, be the professional you were hired to be. Jonathan was talking to a group of legal marketers, but this has to do with not just legal marketers, but lawyers. And this message really is specifically about lawyers or those who deal with clients. And Jonathan's right. When clients hire you, they expect you to be the one to anticipate their challenges, protect them, provide solutions, help ease their fears and concerns, and to be better at what you do than they are. That's why they hired you. They hired you to take the high ground and not to react unnecessarily, which could make their challenge even more worrisome for them. I mean, when you react unnecessarily, when any of us react unnecessarily, it can have the unintended consequence of making clients feel silly or unworthy or embarrassed to even share their thoughts. It can make them angry, it can make them sad, or just plain fed up with you. And we don't want that. We don't want any of those, because the consequences of all of those emotions is that they may not be a repeat client, or they might not be a client for very long at all. So if they want to get emotional, I mean, that's another story. They can. They're the ones experiencing the situation, not you. So help them. If they're feeling emotional, help them, talk them down. Be the professional you were hired to be. That's the bottom line. Be the professional you are. Never react unnecessarily. Take the high ground. Be the one. Well, that's it for today's Legal Marketing Minutes. Do me a favor and let me know your thoughts about this topic. If you're listening on a platform where you can leave a comment, please do so, as I'd love to hear from you. I really would. If not, you can always find me on my blog at myrlandmarketing.com, which is MYRLAND marketing.com. Also, if you're connected to the legal profession, I invite you to join my Facebook group where we discuss marketing, business development, content, social and digital media, all the topics I care desperately about, which you can find by searching Facebook for Social Media for Lawyers and Legal Marketers with Nancy Myrland. When you do, let me know that's how you found out about the group. Well, thank you so much for spending a few legal marketing minutes with me. I know your time is valuable, so I appreciate you spending a few of them right here. Until next time, I'm Nancy Myrland. Take care.